Internet technology has produced significant change in many aspects of human life and society. At the present time, Internet is the primary source of information and communication, and as well has changed the economy and business models, transforming the shopping culture in what we know as e-commerce. In recent years, the popularization of the Internet has become a huge change on how consumers buy products as they have access to larger number of stores. They can evaluate products from different retailers and look for a quick and pleasant user experience. One of the major advantages of shopping online is that people have access to a larger number of stores. This is really helpful when searching for an item. People can look for the same item in different stores in order to get the best deal as for price and shipping cost. People is always looking for lower prices, and with the online stores comparison prices is very easy. Also, thanks to the e-commerce, the frontiers barriers are wide open to purchase items that people may not find in their hometowns or even in their countries. The majority of the online stores offer national or international shipping. As people have more options where to buy, they also can evaluate items and look for substitution. This is another advantage that e-commerce offers to consumers. The range of things that an online store offers is larger than a physical retail store. On the other hand, people is often influenced of the consumer review and evaluation on purchasing decision. With the internet shopping, people can analyze other consumer opinions and ratings before they decide whether to buy the item or not. According to studies, up to 80% of the people buying in internet rely on the item evaluation at the moment of buying. The most important features that influence sales and attitudes toward a product are the validity and the volume of reviews. Research indicates that negative reviews have more impact than positive ones, suggesting that a negative review is rarely and have more detailed information than the positive ones. Only with these tools, e-commerce offers consumers the opportunity to analyze items before purchasing in order to acquire the best option for them. Finally, the biggest change that e-commerce has brought about consumer behavior is that people look to get a quick and pleasant user experience. That, in other words, is a simple, logical, safe, and enjoyable shopping experience. Marketers and web designers have adapted to the new trends, challenge, and user expectation in order to improve e-commerce user experience. In the fourth e-commerce user experience research report found out that people like to buy in web stores that get shoppers through an effective purchase, focusing in 6 major themes: convenience, speed, assurance, accuracy, option, and experience. All these we can translate as process that is easy to manage from start to end. Shoppers want the convenience of to buy wherever and whenever they are, the ability to return items if needed, and have the option of home delivery or pickup in store when it's convenient to avoid wasting time. The speed is not only for fast shipping and same-day delivery. Besides this, user wants a shopping experience to be complicated. A simple one-click ordering purchase, fast and with a little effort, but with the assurance that their private information is secure and the payments options are reliable. Additionally, online shoppers want from the retail to provide real and accurate information about their order status. When they have a query, want to their message be responded, as well pricing and delivery dates to be certain. Furthermore, customers look for an option from different payment methods, shipping, and customer support. This flexibility from the retail encourages customers to be loyal and keep returning to its online store. On top of all these expectations, the whole experience that a site can offer to a customer is essential at the moment to give a positive review and recommend it to the friends and family. Customers want to be impressed with personal details, be inspired, and see what else an online store can offer. The new technologies and the internet advance have had a huge impact on the commerce worldwide, transforming the way consumers shop, and the expectation they have of the online store are different from the physical retails. Consumers want a whole new experience in an online shopping, more connected with companies, more effective, personal, and with wide range of options to choose from.